Hi YouTube, it's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid. Today I'm just going to drop a quick fluoro orange 3D with a dark blue fill. Yeah, so let's get into it. So I've covered up the piece now that was underneath with my fill, got my letters on there, and I'm going to whack on the outline 3D, start building up the piece. Actually, probably I might play around with some of the fill before I do the outline on second thoughts. I'll do the outline after that, then the 3D. So guys, I've got my pattern in there, nice blues, it's looking really cool. I've used the dark blue to cut back the light blue, get it nice and sharp, and now I'm going to do some old school. I'm going to add a thick white inside border, which is something I haven't done for a while. I'm going to add a thick white border and then do my red outline. Boom! So we got the white on there, it's looking sick. Now we're going to add the red and some darker red in the corners, but yeah, it's popping. It's been a while since I've done a white inside border. I've got the orangey red outline on there. Now I'm going to sketch out my 3D. I'm going to do a chunky 3D and then black behind it, I think. And I'm going to add some fluoro on top of the red. So nearly finished. Just going to add some cutbacks, just tighten it up. A few little details here and there, but yeah, it's looking good so far. So now I'm going to use the fluoro red, give this bitch some more life. I'm going to make it pop. That's the fluoro red. So that's it guys, we've come to the end of the video. If you've liked this video, don't forget to check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and catch you on the next one. Peace.